Hello and welcome to the Snickerdoodle Knits YouTube channel. I am Jessica, the knitter and designer behind Snickerdoodle Knits. In this video, we are going to talk about how to slip a stitch, both purlwise and knitwise. Or you might hear it referred to as slip with yarn in back versus slip with yarn in front. For this demonstration, I'm going to knit 2, slip 1, knit 2, slip 1, etc. until we reach the end of the row. So let's knit 2 and slip 1. Now, if we're slipping knitwise, we just put our needle in as if we're to knit the stitch, but we don't wrap our yarn around and we just slide that stitch off the needle. This is the same as slipping the stitch with the yarn in the back, because your yarn is in the back of your needles when you slip the stitch. Alright, let's knit 2 and we'll slip the other way. This is slipping purlwise. When you slip purlwise, you bring the yarn in the front as if you were to purl. Again, you will put your needle in through the top of the stitch as if to purl the stitch, but you won't wrap the yarn around the needle like you would when you actually purl. You just slip the stitch off of the needle. So that is a slip purlwise or a slip stitch with the yarn in front. Then we will knit 2 more and we'll do a slip with yarn in back or a slip knitwise. And then let's go ahead and do a slip with yarn in front or slip purlwise. You can see that this is just slipped that stitch, and when you slip knitwise, it blends in with your knit stitches. When you slip purlwise, it will blend with your purl stitches because this wrap through the front is just like a purl stitch. Now you know how to slip a stitch, both knitwise and purlwise. That is, slipping a stitch with the yarn in back and slipping the stitch with the yarn in front. If you are interested in more knitting tutorials, you can like this video, subscribe to our channel, check out other videos that we have posted on our YouTube channel with knitting tutorials, and subscribe to our knitting tutorial email updates. Happy knitting!